I got sent these 3 bead kits, and now I'm thinking it's time we make a phone charm out of the blue one. I'm gonna get the string. We're gonna use Crystal Tech. I'm just gonna get a decent amount of length. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna take what we just cut, fold it in half, and then we're gonna make a little knot. We're just gonna tie it like normal, and then this is gonna be our loop. We're gonna slide it where we want. I typically like making the loop 2 to 3 inches. We're gonna get some more beads because those beads are cute. Now we're gonna start adding on beads. I typically like adding kind of smaller beads towards the front of the phone charm to make it easier when it's on your phone. I feel like it like flows a little better instead of just having this huge chunky charm right at the front. Next, we're just gonna add more beads. I don't do a pattern. I never do a pattern, and I feel like that almost makes a pattern itself. The pattern is random. After we have enough, I like doing 6 inches on both sides. We're gonna work on the other side. And again, I like putting the smaller beads up front. After we have that, we're gonna tie it. We're gonna first do basic granny knot, and then after that, we're gonna do a surgeon's knot, which is we're gonna loop it, but before we pull it tight, we're gonna put that string back through again, and then repeat this step. And just make sure after every knot you do, you pull it pretty tight, but not too tight or else it will shatter. I've had this happen to me before and I lost all motivation. After that surgeon's knot, we're gonna finish it with the normal knot. We're gonna cut it and then seal the deal with just some nail polish. There's no brand of nail polish I use. I have a bunch laying around and I will just grab the closest one. After, we're gonna let that dry, and then we have this super duper cute boom phone charm. I love making these. I think they're so fun. But guys, let me know what color I should do next.